Hi, thanks for joining us today. We're here to talk about Christie's tiled LCD product portfolio. I'm John Dixon, Senior Product Manager for Christie Digital. I'm responsible for our flat panel products here at Christie. Today, we're going to talk specifically about our tiled LCD panel portfolio, provide you an overview of the products, what are some of the key features, and then dive into a case study of a particular installation that we've done recently with the Montgomery County Emergency Operations Center. It's a great solution in which we've deployed both our Terra system as well as our tiled LCD products, as well as even some projectors. So we'll take a little bit closer look at the details of that system and what are some of the key benefits of it. So first, let's talk a little bit about our markets and applications. So the tiled LCD panel portfolio is oftentimes put into a couple different general markets and applications. The first of those is these high-end visualization and control room environments in many different military and government applications, network operation centers, utility operating centers, different cases in which you've got a requirement for visualizing lots of different types of data and sources in an environment that is looking to make mission critical decisions. The other environment and application that we're commonly deploying these products into are digital signage like environments. So in retail, public venue, corporate environments in which they're oftentimes looking to create high impact digital signage is another area in which we find our tiled LCD products going into often. We also have the capability to kind of create very artistic architectural displays that can really set itself apart from different environments and installations. They're also deploying this technology. So if we look at our tiled LCD portfolio, we have a very comprehensive lineup when it comes to a variety of different sizes, brightness levels, bezel dimensions, and other kind of mission critical features that are needed and desired in many of these applications. We separate our products into really two different product families: the Ultra Series family and the Extreme Series family. The Ultra Series family really focuses on delivering very price competitive products that provide standard performance and many times higher performance than what you'll find with other entry-level products out in the market. The Extreme Series products, again, have a variety of different bezels and brightness dimensions to meet the requirements of essentially all tiled LCD market applications and installations that are out there. We deliver some unique capabilities with our remote power systems. So this allows you to provide really mission critical and reliability and performance in some of those environments that are demanding it. This is a table of our variety of different models and options that we provide with this category of product. Again, the Ultra Series and Extreme Series, the different brightness levels, bezel sizes, and power options that are available. I wanted to highlight a couple of our newest products in the portfolio. The first is our FHD 554-XZ-H and HR. So these are the latest generation of LCD technology that features a bezel of less than 1 millimeter, a 0.88 combined bezel width that provides a near seamless look, one that is equivalent to many of the rear projection displays that were commonly deployed prior to LCD in video wall applications. Our new model is 700 nit brightness, 1080p native resolution. We've combined it with our latest advanced electronics that has the very latest in connectivity options. This model is available in both an onboard and a remote redundant power supply. So, enabling those customers that are demanding that functionality. We also provide an ultra thin depth option with this model, combining it with our ML25 mount. This enables a mounted depth of less than 4 inches or 100 millimeters. So provides a very, very seamless look to the video wall. The second model that I wanted to highlight is our 65-inch 4K tileable display. This model features a lot of unique points and capabilities, but the one that's the greatest is its 4K resolution. So over that 65-inch size, we have a native resolution of 3840 by 2160. This is very unique in the marketplace, has a tiled bezel width of 3.7 millimeter combined. This model also features a brightness level of 700 nits, incorporating the latest of our electronics with the option for having an ultra thin ADA compliant depth with this model. To talk a little bit about the key features of these particular tiled LCD products, all of our products in this category or specification of being tiled are TAA compliant. So they're eligible under the Trade American Act to meet those different requirements that the US government may look to purchase when deciding upon the different tiled LCD solutions. So all of our tiled LCD products meet this requirement. I talked about our latest electronics platform in the FHD 554XZ and the UHD 654X models. This electronics delivers superior performance while looking to save a lot of time on the installation and integration side. Some of the unique capabilities that we've built into this electronics is 4K 60 hertz video wall scaling. So in many cases, you'll find that other manufacturers will be limited in the resolution of support that they can do with their built-in video wall scaling. And so we've made sure that we can deliver the highest performance in that capability. We can daisy chain and have validated up to 25 displays. So in a variety, again, kind of looking to simplify and avoid the challenges associated with deploying this technology and daisy chaining, we've delivered that capability. We have multiple different inputs, the latest in connectivity of HDMI and DisplayPort 1.2. We've even built in some multi-view capabilities within this electronics that allows you to do quad view, picture-by-picture multi-source viewing. You'll find that there's a lot of commonality amongst the different Extreme and Ultra Series models. We've deployed these products into, for a long time, and creating commonality we know helps with the installation and deployment and service of these models. A lot of these features and capabilities are common across the different models within our lineup. So things like advanced panel matching, video wall toolbox, auto ID, those types of things are things that regardless of which model you're utilizing, we're capable to support. So our remote and redundant power supply is also a unique thing that you'll find with our products. With remote and redundant power supply, we're looking to extend the life of the product. It removes heat and points of failure away from the LCD video wall. So it really lets the display reach its maximum intended lifetime. In those cases where it's mission critical and you cannot be down due to a failure of a power supply, we offer a remote redundant power supply option. So this system can be remoted up to 200 meters away and allows you to power the displays remotely with the capability of hot swapping the power supply in the case that one is failed. One of the great things about this product is it can be serviced away from the display so that you're not having to pull the display out from the wall and get to one of the failed displays. All the servicing can be done away from the LCD with this remote power system. The remote power monitoring capability that's built in provides SNMP trap capability so that you can monitor this system remotely and it can alert you of issues that may happen in the field. All of the capabilities that we've developed within our remote power option really seek to lower the installation costs by, again, simplifying the service capabilities, as well as removing the requirements to have AC outlets from behind the display. So we know that many installations, it's difficult to run power to where the video wall is going to be placed. And then by having this remote power system, it can simplify and lower those installation costs. Talking a little bit more about the ultra-thin depth that we provide, both our Extreme and Ultra Series products are capable of being installed with our ML20 and ML25 mounts. This provides an ultra-thin depth of less than 4 inches, 100 millimeters, and complies with the US ADA regulations of protruding objects. So besides meeting those requirements, it also provides just a very sleek and modern design for those environments and applications that are looking to really create a very thin profile, one that doesn't require recessing the video wall into the wall. One of the great things that Christie's done from the start of its tiled LCD production is look to make it easier for our customers to deploy using our factory color matching capability. So each display that goes through our factory production process is calibrated to a factory standard. This really provides a great performance out of the box, gets the displays closely matched so that in a lot of scenarios, it doesn't require any sort of tweaking on site by an installer. In some cases, there is a little bit of tweaking that needs to be done, and you can utilize the variety of different tools that we offer, including our video wall toolbox, to get those closely matched quickly. We've created documentation and providing some additional training around this feature and capabilities to make sure that our customers are comfortable with deploying and matching the variety of different models that we offer. Okay, so let's take a little closer look at the Montgomery County Emergency Operations Center. Here's a picture of the video wall. You can see it's a 6x2 of our FHD 553-R. So this is our 55-inch 500 nit brightness model with our remote power supply. This is, again, an application that you would anticipate the requirements of having mission critical reliability and ruggedness is an important thing for our customers. So with this model, we've deployed it with a variety of different Christie products. So outside of the FHD 553 model, this system is being run by our Terra AV distribution system that is deploying, a variety of different sources throughout the organization and onto the video wall, as well as projectors and other displays. If we take a little closer look at how this is architected from the video wall standpoint, you can see that behind each one of the displays is a Terra receiver. This allows us to take any one of the sources that are being input into the Terra system and being routed to each of those displays, combined with the display's built-in capability to do some video wall scaling. This allows us to get the functionality of and content placement needs done very seamlessly and highly flexible. In addition to this, this system being highly flexible, it's also being controlled by Crestron. So the Crestron is capable of controlling both the displays themselves as well as the Terra system and routing the different sources to a variety of different displays, projectors, or the video wall. So to talk a little bit about, the opportunity to use Terra with our LCD video walls, some of the great things that our customers really appreciate with this solution is it's a single vendor solution, one that as it can really streamline the design, eliminate sort of, any finger pointing that may happen if problems arise. So there's one throat to choke if there is a situation, and Christie's support team is here and capable of not only understanding the display part of it, but they can also understand and help to troubleshoot with the Terra system as well. Many of the LCD video wall processing requirements that video walls run into don't require a kind of complex free flow windowing capability within it. And so with the Christie LCD video wall solution with built-in processing and the Terra AV source distribution system, that combined can create a very highly functional and highly flexible solution to map and scale your content onto the video wall and really provide a great performance. And then lastly, Terra is, it's a great solution for, a variety of the different signal extension and switching, things that you'll run out in the field commonly with these solutions. And it really seeks to provide a very high performance and flexibility that you will not find in other AV source distribution in the market. So if you look at, being able to provide the full solution, there's a lot of benefits that our tiled LCD lineup provides. The built-in video wall capabilities are unique and different than what you'll find in the marketplace. We provide a few mission critical features that allows you to put it into those environments. The Christie Terra system, it's also zero compromises when it comes to AV distribution and processing. It provides a centralized control over Terra devices as well as other SDVOE systems. When you combine those two together, you get a very high performance video wall. You get one that's very flexible, and as we talked about, from a single vendor that you can count on to be able to service if there's a need. So as we look at the variety of different advantages that this solution provides, many of these were realized in the Montgomery County EOC. One of the ones that they really valued and took great consideration of when they were selecting their video wall solution to deploy. A lot of that had to do with the flexibility and scalability of the product. So not only during the installation, but in the future, if they needed to add sources, we are capable of easily flexing with that and being able to add just sources later. We've got great kind of extension and signal distribution built in that includes KVM, as well as audio. So not a lot of other, again, AV solutions when it comes to video wall that are capable of doing it. They really appreciated the central point of management in terms of being able to control the displays and control the source routing and distribution. So, and then just looking for overall zero compromises when it comes to the performance level in both the visual performance as well as the mission critical capability, which both the Terra system as well as the LCD products provide. That's it. I'd like to thank you for joining us today. If you'd like more information about our tiled LCD flat panel products, you can go to christiedigital.com/LCD panels, or you can go to christiedigital.com and look and find out more information about our Terra system combined with our LCD. Thank you.